Hi friends, welcome to Steffi CC Drawings. Today we're going to see unboxing video. I already told in the community tab that I'm going to upload the crayons and color pencils review. So yes, I'm opening the package. So there is a 24 color pencils. So branded, I mean fabar and this is unarranged, so I don't know what is inside. Sometimes it could be broken, so I'm really afraid. So I'm opening. In my eyes I could not see any broken crayons, so I think there is no damage. No guys, there is no damage, no need to afraid. But one mistake they done is they didn't arrange and give. So that's the mistake. Other thing is not broken, and they given some sharpener and eraser also. Okay, I'm arranging now. You can also see there is no any broken colors. Everything is nice colors. There are 24 colors correctly. Okay, so there are many colors are there. I don't know, white, and I don't know what the blue that is. Different blue, yellow, sandal, gray, then green, orange. Okay, so there are two type of orange. One is dark orange and one is light orange. Okay, then dark brown, light brown, then dark green, light green. Many other greens are there, so I really excited, and thank you for Amazon. Very nice product this is, and this is worth for money, very worth for money. Okay, okay, so let me keep inside. It's not going inside. Okay, okay, this is nice and colorful. Now let's check the color pencils now. So this is also 24 color pencils. Oh, what a colorful. It's very satisfying. Very nice colors. These are my one of the favorite colors. Every colors are my favorite. So correctly there are 24 colors. So I'm showing for you. So many colors. I like this all of the colors. I'm really happy also. Here also no any damages. And one more thing, this is we can erase it. Okay, when we color we can erase it. Okay, so this is unerasing, so we can erase with this. Okay, so that's all. So I think you like this video, and I forgot to tell the thing. And this is the color pencil is 200 rupees and the crayons is 156 rupees, and I'm giving the link on the description. You can buy and purchase. I hope you like this video. So thank you for 1000 subscribers guys. So meet you in the next video. Bye.